I'm gonna let y'all get the tranquil sounds of pellets hitting the ground while I sit back and, chief it up. Excuse the family in the back. Damn, excuse me in the back. Yeah, just skip over that part of it. Back to this weather. I will be going live stream, going up to see the main roads. If I make it. No, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do it just for everybody so everybody can see. But salute y'all. Thanks for checking in on me. Thanks for checking with me. Thanks for being a subscriber. Please hit the like button. And salute.